Okay. Next, for you to have a prolific college life, you need to have fun. What did I say? You need to have fun. Alright? You've got to enjoy what you're doing. Are you having fun? In the course you are taking, like the first year or second year college pa lang kayo, are you having fun? Are you having fun learning from or listening to your professors? Okay, so ulitin natin sa susunod. Are you enjoying learning from or listening to your professors? Marinig yan. Okay. Great. And, most importantly, are you having fun studying? There. Guys, importante yan. Kahit na may special formulation ka sa buhay, kahit may smarter goals ka, kahit you believe you are in the right course, if you're not having fun or you're not enjoying what you're doing, then I don't think you'll be able to reach your goals in time. I think you're going to have a prolific college life.